Field to Dream, brought to you in part by Realstone. Realstone, nature-made, artisan-crafted. The distinctive beauty of nature simply cannot be matched. Realstone artisans have the material, tools, and knowledge to meet the specs of your project and make any stone application simply stunning. When the time comes for your next home or landscape project, don't settle for the concrete clone. Choose Realstone.
Hi, it's Liz and Jade again with Center of Design, and we're here with our Field to Dream project. If you tuned in last time, you saw that we gave you a brief introduction of ourselves and kind of what we do in our showroom. And in this episode, we're going to be talking a little bit about the project, our Field to Dream project that we started.
Right. Our customer came into us with a piece of property that she was pending purchasing, and she wanted to know if what our takes on it and if we could design a house that would, benefit from the surroundings and so forth. So the direction of how the location and layout of the home and so forth. So she came to us and asked for our opinion on the property, and then also from there she asked for us to design our house. So that started here with our drafting group.
Right.
So we sat down with our customer and started drafting up a home.
Yeah. So yeah, with Center of Design, when you use us, we have the full design services and the drafting, and we really look at, we treat your house like it's ours. I mean, we kind of guide our customers and kind of help them along with the decision-making process. So
yeah, we really try to focus on product quality for the dollar, I guess you might say. What do you get for your biggest bang for your dollar?
Right.
And I think not only do we emphasize in small spaces and be able to focus on creating small spaces to be efficient, but also make that dollar go as far as you can with a quality product, and not end up just spending little money and have a
you don't have to always
product.
Make that sacrifice.
Yeah, absolutely. So try to spend the money like it's our money, I guess you might say. So we sat down with her and developed a plan and drafted up a facility or a home for her, and off we went. We set up all of our contractors as needed, and one being an excavator. So he had to put in about an 800-foot driveway and start excavating out about 10-15 feet of a hill. So it was pretty unique to watch that, and fun to see that all come together. So I'd say, why don't we get started on it? Let's the site is being prepped and has been prepped, and the concrete's all poured, and let's go walk through and see what the house plan looks like. So we'll be right back with you.
All right.
Ever think about siding? Most people don't. Unless it looks like this, or this. Then they can't stop thinking about it, or looking at it. Select cellular composite siding by Royal. Visit rethinksiding.com.
Hi, this is Jade with Center of Design. We're here on the Field to Dream project. Behind us, you'll see the graders coming down the road. We just got the site excavated, driveways put in, 800 feet long. We have the foundation here and the site excavated. The slab has been poured. We have the plumbing and the water piping exposed now. As we walk through the project here, the garage is here. You're going to see some orange pipes that are exposed. These pipes are for the water floor heat that we're putting in. We're putting an electric boiler system in, and this will maintain and establish the heat for the house. We'll also be put in a gas fireplace for a backup heat. This room here that I'm standing in is going to be the mechanical room. And as we proceed, the laundry room slash back entry foyer area. Back over here, we're looking at will be the living room. The kitchen will be exposed here. Main entry door will be coming in about approximately in right here. This will be the grand foyer that you'll be coming in. Very simple home, slab on grade. Just a nice entry with a small closet and entrance into the kitchen. Coming down here, we'll have the hallway, and we'll have bedroom 1 here and bedroom 2 behind me. And then the bathroom will be here. We'll have the shower, freestanding tub, vanity. You can see the ground level. The site had been excavated. There was about 6 to 10 feet of hill that was taken out behind us, brought over here to create the grade for the house, which is, you can see, probably about 6 to 8 feet tall from what it used to be. When it's all said and done, we'll have an attached garage, 2 bedroom, single bath. We'll have 612 pitch. We'll be framing this up here in the next few weeks and continuing on with the video.
How much flawless engineering can you fit inside an exterior? Well, you'd be surprised. Select repels moisture, resists fading, and insulates 70% better than wood. Select cellular composite siding by Royal. Visit rethinksiding.com.
So since you have a picture of what the facility is, it's a slab on grade, patio home, very simple. You know, what can you do with such a home? And that's where I think, you know, it's kind of fun. I mean, it's only 1,200 square feet at most, but trying to create that efficiency and try to create as much room as you can, closet space, and make it feel homey, open, yet this consumer really still likes rooms kind of somewhat closed off a little bit, so it's not as open as what you would see. So, you know, that's still the other part, is working with this customer, our customers, and letting this be their dream, not ours. And us help guide them and tell them the pros and cons of product, pros and cons of, you know, if you do this, this could happen, and so forth. So, but as that process went, we framed the facility, and through that part, the drawing showed the kitchen being a certain size, and we were concerned about how small it was looking. We actually called her up, had her come out and take a look at it. And when she saw where that interior wall was going to be at, she realized that the kitchen was too small. So we made an adjustment on the fly and changed the size of her kitchen and changed out her back entry. And again, it's those little things. You know, I would really like to get into the job and get in and get out, but ultimately, I want her to have this home for the next how many years she has it, and it makes sense, and she enjoys it.
And have an end result that she's pleased with and happy with.
Absolutely. So we framed it up. We also did some, we ordered all our materials through Center of Design. We work with our wholesale company, and we can order the whole package as needed. So we ordered our lumber, our trusses, and that all came into our facility here, and we took it from here out to there. So our trusses actually went fairly well with that adjustment. We needed to make an adjustment with the truss system because it was laid out a little bit differently, but made a minor adjustment there, and when it's all said and done, that did turn out, it's actually real nice now.
It's very nice.
It opened up the spaces a little bit, it gives it more functionality, and ultimately she's tickled. So, and that's what we're shooting for. So
and again, you know, people are so visual. I say it all the time, visual, visual, visual. You can see it on paper, but sometimes until, you know, walls are erected or it's actually starting to get up, do they really, oh, wow, this is too small, or this is where my wall would be? So, yeah, it's important to make those adjustments at that time, and we're all for that. So.
Absolutely. So there's, through the process, we always bring our customer in, and this is what we have going, this is what the plan was. Do you like this or do you not like this? You know, it's to a point. We don't want to go crazy on it, but we really try to, if we see something that might not be what of their best interest, we try to bring them back in and see it. So trusses were brought in, we started putting the trusses up and got to that point. So basically at this point, we got a framed house, trusses, the roof is sheeted, and the next part we got coming up is to look at our shingles. And with our shingle line that we have a great warranty coming up, and we can talk a little bit more about our Systems Plus warranty with our shingles. And
So yeah, you'll see that in our next segment.
Absolutely.
And shingles aren't just shingles, you know, they're not as boring as you think. So we'll show you all those options and you know, the quality product that we carry here at Center of Design. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Field to Dream is brought to you by Center of Design and the following sponsors.
For decades, you've entrusted one brand to guide you toward living a lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Now, locally, Better Homes and Gardens real estate professionals can help you find a dream home or enter into your new stage of life when selling. Through all seasons, expect better. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Call 841-9242 or stop by 495 U.S. Highway 10 East, Detroit Lakes, and pick up your free copy of the magazine. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. All seasons.